Hi, I'm Skylar. Let's go over how to install Gmail in the Firefox menus. Upper right here, which allows you easy access to Gmail. Click Tools and Add-ons. Make sure Get Add-ons is highlighted and click here, Search. Type in Gmail. There are a couple different options. You might want to check all of the different reviews. So let's do Gmail. A lot of 5-star reviews here, and